How to post a screenshot on Steam. So first what you want to do is just simply open up your Steam app. And once you're here, just go to your profile here at the top right. Then click on view my profile. And it will bring you here on your profile. Then just simply click on the screenshots option here at the right side. Then it will bring you right here on this page. And just go to screenshots. As you can see, if you press your hotkey F12 by default while in any game that runs the Steam overlay, take screenshots and then publish them to your Steam community profile as well as Facebook, Twitter, or Reddit to share them with your friends. So you need to make sure that your Steam overlay is turned on. And to do that, you simply need to click on the Steam button here at the top left, then click on settings. Once you're there, go to in-game and make sure that enable the Steam overlay is turned on. And of course, your hotkey, set it to whatever you want. For me, I'm going to go with the default one, which is F12. Then, if you want to see your screenshots, you just simply need to go to your library and go to your game that you have took a screenshot of. Let's say I took a screenshot of CS2 earlier, so this is my screenshot, and it shows you it right here. You just simply need to click on it, and you can either delete them if you want, or you can share them. So there's a share button right here. And if you click on that, you could either save the image, you could copy it to clipboard, send it to your phone, or share it on Steam right here. And you could also add a caption. So you could set it to private, friends only, or unlisted. So I'm gonna set it to private for me. Click on upload, and just simply wait for it to load. As you can see, the screenshot is now uploaded. I'm just gonna go back and check. I'm gonna go back to my profile and go to screenshots and just wait for it to load. And as you can see, the screenshot is now there, and that's basically it.